Well, looks like the left handle is a little bit loose. Yeah, I have to fix this thing over here. And not really that hard to fix overall. So Samsung fridge, fixing the loose handle. So I'm going to tell you how to fix the Samsung fridge loose handle. Before we get started, please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon to be notified new videos. And if you like my video to the end, please help me out with a thumbs up. So to fix the fridge is very simple actually, in fact, but I'm going to show you step by step. So it's a little bit annoying. The handle came loose and it's been loose for a while. I just didn't have time to fix it. And you're going to need two tools to do this thing. All right. So you see there's like a hex there and there's a screw on the bottom. I don't know if you can see that over here, but there's a screw. So basically there's two screws in fact. I'm going to open it up and show you how to fix it. And it's very easy to do and very easy and fast. You need a 3/32 hex bit. So, or you get a hex screwdriver or something, that would definitely be a requirement. So what you do is put this on top over here and turn counterclockwise. So you turn opposite where the clock turns, and you probably have to do it a few times before you loosen it. I wouldn't want to go all the way and loosen the screw or lose it. On the bottom, you're gonna need to lift it up. So basically, not to scratch the surface, you move the top handle a little bit out of the way to make sure it's loose. Then you're gonna pull this handle up. Once you pull the handle up, I'm gonna show you that just like that. Then the handle comes off. Simple as that. And if you're in tight spaces, you could do that. So notice the bottom screw or bolt, whatever you call it, is really loose. And so we're gonna tighten those up, right? Preferably with a screwdriver. I have an electric screwdriver, so be really careful with it. So suppose you put this down and you didn't know which is the top or bottom. Very easy to tell. You know it's the bottom part, you just slide in. You can see that slide in part. The top part on the left handle, you can see the torque over there. See? And you just need to put it in exactly the same way. So of course I need to clean the area first. In my case, it's a little bit dirty. It hasn't been cleaned for some time, I guess. And I'm gonna clean that, and voila, the magic of camera. And it's all clean already. So I'm gonna put the original back, and notice that there's a little bit discoloration over time, I guess, with this fridge. I mean, the door handle, and this is almost like 7 years. It's not 7 years yet. And this fridge has been great for me. I don't know, other people will say the same, but I didn't have any issues. So I bought this in 2019, in May of 2019. It's a newer model than the other Samsung models. So what you need to do is slide the bottom in first, then push down. Make sure it's flush. All right, and you want to put the top part in. So notice that it fits really well, very easy to do. So no gaps. The top and bottom are flush with no gaps, just like this over here. When there's a gap, it's not all the way tight, and you want to make it tight so you don't have no gaps, no movement, right? So after that's verified, I'm going to torque it in. So to torque it in, you just need to turn this clockwise, and you might need to do a few turns before you get it really tight. You don't want it to come loose, but you don't want to over tighten. So verify your work always, right? So if the top part is flush, the handle is solid now, and the right side is okay. The right side, the torque is in a different direction, of course. And there you go. You have a nice fridge again, and it works really great. And at the same time, all the little issues and taken care of. This may work on other Samsung fridge or even other fridge as well too. So hopefully this video helped you out, save you some time. I really appreciate thumbs up. Please subscribe. I have other Samsung videos in my many other Samsung fridge videos as well too. So just search Samsung in my videos and you can see them. Hopefully this video helps you out. Really appreciate thumbs up, comment to share. Please leave it below. Please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.